Every day, finance teams deal with thousands of documents, different formats, different countries, different rules, and still manual work. Finance documents aren't just data, they're structured differently across regions, currencies, and regulations. One mistake can slow down the entire workflow. This is where AI Extract steps in. An AI-powered document automation platform built for finance teams. Step 1. Document ingestion. Invoices, bank statements, and financial records flow in from any source. The AI Extract doesn't just read documents, it understands them, using advanced AI models trained specifically for financial documents. Critical financial data is extracted automatically, accurately, consistently, and at scale. No templates, no rigid rules. Once data is extracted, it moves straight into your finance workflows, ERP systems, accounting tools, approval pipelines. Need human validation? The AI Extract keeps humans in control, only where it matters. Whether you're processing hundreds or millions of documents, the AI Extract scales with global finance teams, without adding complexity. The result? Faster closes, fewer errors, lower costs, and finance teams focused on decisions, not data entry. Book a demo. See the AI Extract in action.